Hey guys, this is Christy. So this is kind of a rare thing for me. I'm not really a big fan of being on camera, but here I am anyway because it is Saturday, the day before Christmas. Pretty sure it's the 23rd of December. And you guys have been watching me unbox all of the cute little items from the Missouri Star Countdown to Christmas box all month. And I'm pretty sure I missed a day, like yesterday, because it's been a little nuts. In fact, I'm in my sewing room, which is totally indulgent that I get my own room, but I'm just going to show you how like nuts this place is. It's kind of, everything's sort of stacked up everywhere. I've got junk everywhere. My computer's a mess. This is clean, actually. I cleaned it up earlier because there was a whole card making explosion going on over here earlier. Anyway, just so you know, and that I just got back from the mall because it's the day before Christmas, and my youngest kid decided that he still needed to shop, so I had to go to the mall. Anyway, just thought I would actually like go on camera, and I'm sure some of y'all can relate how craziness this time of year. So let's go. I'll open the next two gifts because I'm pretty sure I'm day late on the whole countdown to Christmas. So here we are. I gotta figure out how to switch views, which I think means I have to stop the camera. Hold up. All right. Okay, I'm back. Oh, look, all kinds of junk in my room. My room is always such a disaster. So I've been you're getting little peeks of, here's my my little quilting frame, which is also doubles as a giant storage box. Anyway, so much so, storage stuff, giant box of stuffing, which I probably need to get into. But here we are, the countdown to Christmas box. So this has been a lot of fun. This is the third year I have bought this, and I love it every year. And every year I always get to a point where I sort of forget to open something. So, right. So 22nd was yesterday. 23rd is today. Oh, gotta carry them both with one hand. I didn't think this through. I got it. All right. Over to my table. Now, let's see how best to do this. Oh, we're gonna stick this on the same little rack that you've been watching videos from. Oh, don't get seasick. It's gonna bounce around. It's definitely gonna bounce around. Here we go. All right. Will it hold still? It might hold still. Okay. Here we are. So this would have been yesterday's gift from the 22nd. Let's see what we got. And by the way, my only complaint with these Missouri Star things is, seriously, use a sticker that comes off the bag. These bags are super cute, and you know I'm going to reuse them, but every last one of them, the sticker ripped the bag, so that makes me a little grouchy. But that's okay. Ooh, inside the bag, there was another bag. Let's see what this guy is. Oh, and I bumped the camera. Sorry. I am not a professional camera person. I'm working on it. It's a learning process. Oh, hey, mini traveler's sewing tin for quilters. Magnetic inner lid, mini rotary cutter, mini seam ripper, 3 thread holders, mini scissors, and thimble. That actually sounds pretty darn awesome. Got their little logo raised on top. This actually kind of goes with the, so cute. This kind of goes with the tin of all the Post-it notes from the other day. That's awesome. Oh, looks like some thread bobbins. Look at those little scissors. Oh my gosh. Are those not the cutest things? Holy moly. Okay. All right. Seam ripper. Seam ripper. Sweet. That thing is so tiny. I'm gonna have to set this down. Otherwise, I'm gonna drop it at some point. A thimble. That is quite serviceable. And this guy is. Oh, that's adorable. Look at a little bitty. It's a rotary cutter. Just don't tell the kids. They might think it's a little bitty pizza cutter. So maybe this is probably not TSA friendly, but this could definitely go in the checked luggage. Or with my luck, it'll just go float around the living room so that I have it handy when I'm stitching. Because that's what I do. I stitch on the couch and then I lose a needle in the couch, but we won't talk about that anymore. All right, so on to today's gift. I think I saw a preview of what this was online, and I am super excited. So day 23, here we go. Nope, tape. And, all right, I got scissors here. These are not my sewing scissors. I feel compelled to say that. They're actually paper cutting scissors. Again, I've got a whole paper mess over here. I was doing cards earlier, so, yeah. You can see my thread mess back there. Messes everywhere. Anyway, 23rd. here we are, styrofoam. Fun fact, I have 2 cats in the house. One of them is obsessed with styrofoam. I will literally have to keep this box closed. I will not be able to leave it like open and loose because he will eventually come up and find it, and he will eat the styrofoam, and we will find bits of styrofoam like all over the house. And I'm afraid he swallows it. I really don't know, but I'm afraid that he might. But if nothing else, he will carry it around and he will shred it into bits and it'll look like it snowed. It's kind of nutty. It's his thing. But, oh, it's a mug. It is. It's very similar to last year's, but different. Quilters are peacemakers. I love that. Oh, that's so cute. Cool. I love it. So that'll be awesome. So I can hook it 2 now. The red one from last year. This one, actually I got a different blue one that I picked up at the Missouri Star this summer when I got a chance to visit for like half a day one day. Anyway, so I think that's it on the opening. Merry Christmas, everybody. Maybe by tomorrow we'll be back to the regular music playing and gift opening. But thanks for joining me. And take it easy. Everybody go chill out now. Only like 2 days left if you're in the Christmas madness rush like I am. Otherwise, hopefully y'all are enjoying a free weekend off if you're not celebrating and just have a free Monday off. So take it easy. Bye-bye.